Dear students, how are you? I am fine. You all have prepared your second assignment. In this week, you will get your questions of third assignment. So, I am taking your English class of class 8 about the third assignment. Okay? You should follow me attentively and you will be ready to prepare your third assignment. Dear students of class 8, in the third assignment, you think about English past paper, unit 5, lesson 4. The topic is A Man Who Loves Trees. So, open your book at page 50, lesson 4, A Man Who Loves Trees, and listen to me attentively. I am reading your text. Okay? At the farthest corner of Bangladesh, there is a village called Tarapur. In this village, there lives a man named Kartik Paramanik. He is a hairdresser by profession, but a nature lover at heart. His passion is to plant saplings which grow into gigantic trees. He started planting trees when he was only 10 years old. He remembers what his father once told him, "My son, you can earn the blessing of God by planting trees." He has never forgotten what his father told him. At present, he is 63 years old. He has planted hundreds of trees in his village. Many of the trees are now 35 to 40 years old. Once there were hardly any trees in this village. Kartik used to go to different houses for his job. At times, he would get tired in the scorching sun, but there are no trees under which he could sit and rest for a while. Thinking how people suffer in the heat, Kartik began his tree planting mission. In these topics, I am reading the half of these topics. So, you will read one time by it. Okay? After finishing my topics, you will be able to read and write about a nature lover. You will say some questions answer. Describe about nature. Okay. After finishing the half part of this topic, you will be able to read and write about a nature lover, say some questions answer and describe about nature. Okay. Now I am writing some questions for your topics. Topic was, who was Kartik? Who was Kartik Poramanik? Who was Kartik Poramanik? What was his profession? What was his profession? How did he plant trees? And number 4, why did he plant trees? Okay. If you read the lesson attentively, you will be able to answering the questions. You try to write in your khata. You try to write in your khata. Now I am telling you about this questions answer. The first one, who was Kartik Poramanik? You will say that Kartik Poramanik is a nature lover man. Kartik Poramanik is a nature lover man who loves trees very much, because one day his father told him, my son, you can earn the blessing of God by planting trees. After hearing that, he started his mission by planting trees more and more. The trees what he planted, they were 35 to 40 years old now. Okay. Number 2, what was his profession? Kartik Poramanik is a hairdresser. Kartik Poramanik was a hairdresser by profession. Okay. He goes to his mission by planting trees, for planting trees more and more after acquiring the blessing of God. Number 3, how did he plant trees? He planted trees with the help of the labor from his home far and wide. And why did he plant his trees? He planted trees because one day his father told that, my son, you can earn the blessing of God by planting trees. So he carry on his planting trees mission again and again. After the scorching heat and in the night, he will plant trees more and more. Okay. So, my dear students, you can answer it. You can answer it by planting trees of Kartik Paramanik, and you will be able to write in your khata for the third assignment. Okay. Homework. Write a paragraph about tree plantation. Okay, my dear students, you will read out the topics and then you will be able to write the paragraph tree plantation. So, thank you very much.